Hello. Say good morning to your fan club. They love you. They think you're amazing. Actually know how precious you are. Hold on, let me change so people can see you. Nobody wants to see me. Look at this. Hi, baby. Girl. Hello. You're so pretty. I love you. Thank you. Oh my god. How are you the cutest person in the whole world? Well, you're a cat. That's how. I know. You're gonna curl in, get comfy. Oh yes, find the right spot. I am folded like a pretzel, but that's totally fine. You do you, girl. Yes, ma'am. I love you so much. I love you so much. Where do you want to be? I'm curling in. Aw. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You making the muffins? You making muffins in there, girl? Aw. Okay, what do you want? Hi, Katie Pie. Oh, nobody likes to be on camera but me. Ha 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 ha. Hello. Hi, my. Oh, ma'am, that is my breakfast. Yes, Katie Pie. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Hi. All the cutie pie animals in the world are so cute. Okay, look, it's been going on long enough, of course. I should be quiet. That light is flickering. I know. The spirits are among us. Let's go. Let me be quiet.